Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
Burr coffee grinders.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cusinart Supreme Grind Burr Grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a half-pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in. Put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start, and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. Something I should mention is that it goes from fine, just by twisting this, all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso, and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium, and I'm just going to hit start. Chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose. Something I should mention is that it goes from fine, just by twisting this, all the way to coarse. And have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter and you'll have a beautiful.
The Baratza Encore, the go-to home coffee grinder for both new coffee fans and longtime aficionados alike. A simple on-off switch runs the grinder continuously. Use the pulse button to top off your grind. No fuss, just fresh coffee. The Encore has 40 separate grind settings for precise control of grind size. Just turn the hopper to select the perfect grind for your brew. Baratza grinders are built with quality parts and are fully user serviceable. Enjoy world-class warranty and technical support from the Baratza team. Baratza, we grind, you brew.
Hi, here is SHARDOR R&D Room. Today we are going to be sharing the troubleshooting of the Burr coffee grinder. When the button is pressed, the product doesn't work and the blue indicator is flashing. This phenomenon occurs because the bean hopper and grinding chamber are not installed in place at the same time. Align the marking scale on the bean hopper with the unlock and lower it vertically, then rotate it counterclockwise to the lock. And then reinstall the grinding chamber until it clicks into place. The grinding process suddenly stops working and it sounds buzzing. This phenomenon occurs because coffee bean debris is stuck in the grinder. First of all, turn clockwise to remove the bean hopper and the upper burr. Furthermore, clean up the burr grinding disc. After cleaning, reinstall the bean hopper and the upper burr and you're ready to go. Now enjoy your coffee time.
Introducing the Virtuoso Plus, a refined improvement of the classic and beloved Virtuoso. Grind cafe-quality coffee with hardened steel conical burrs that can be adjusted to 40 different grind settings. The Virtuoso Plus features twin LED lights which shine onto dispensed ground coffee so you can see for yourself how quick and easy it is to grind fresh coffee. The hopper holds 8 ounces of whole bean coffee, and the ground's catch bin has a max fill line to prevent overfilling. While the classic Virtuoso used an analog timer, the Virtuoso Plus is controlled digitally. The timer can be programmed to 1/10 of a second for exact results every time. Turn left to subtract by 1/10 of a second. Turn right to add by full seconds. The Virtuoso Plus provides precision dosing for repeatable and consistent results.
Enjoy delicious lattes, espressos, and cappuccinos anytime, anywhere with the Enzo Conical Burr, an excellent coffee grinder that creates a uniform and smooth ground for optimal flavor extraction. With its solid 40mm stainless steel conical burrs and advanced cutting-edge design, this machine ensures you to have a refined coffee ground to make your morning beautiful and charming. Equipped with high torque and a 450 rotations per minute low-speed motor, this grinder creates less friction and heat in order to protect your coffee's flavor and aroma even during extended grinding. It features 10 grind control settings which help you explore the extensive range of brew methods from coarse for espresso to fine for French press. This grinder comes with a large hopper that can hold up to 8.5 ounces of coffee beans, and it also protects from harmful UV rays so that you can have a delightful coffee every time. Besides, it also offers an airtight chamber that accommodates enough ground coffee to brew up to 13 cups pretty easily. That creates a uniform with its solid 40mm stainless steel conical burrs and advanced cutting-edge design to make your morning beautiful and charming. This grinder creates less friction and heat even during extended grinding, which help you explore the extensive range of brew methods from. This grinder comes with a large hopper that can hold up to 8.5 ounces of coffee beans so that you can have a delightful coffee every time. That accommodates enough ground coffee to brew up to 13 cups pretty easily. It comes with flexible aluminum plates and you can have your coffee with peace of mind. Designed to give you the ultimate aroma and rich coffee flavor, marks it at a top-of-line coffee grinder.